Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Indonesia's Anak Krakatau volcano spews ash cloud after second eruption. Indonesia's Anak Krakatau volcano erupted twice in just over 1 hour on Friday, spewing volcanic ash as high as 3,000 meters into the air, according to the country's volcanology agency. Anak Krakatau volcano erupted at 7:46 a.m. local time on Friday, then again 62 minutes later. Time-lapse images shared by the agency showed the widening of a large cloud that was billowing from the volcano and moving southwest. The 157-meter high Anak Krakatau volcano in the Indonesia's Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra Islands has erupted more than 10 times since March this year. The nearest settlement to the volcano is 16.5 kilometers away. Authorities have issued the second highest alert level. Okatori Prabanda, an official at the Volcanology and Geological Agency, told, adding there have been no evacuation order, but the tourists and residents were advised not to approach or climb the volcano. Indonesia sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire and has 127 active volcanoes, according to the Volcanology Agency. A December 2018 eruption of Anak Krakatau triggered an underwater landslide that set off a tsunami in Banten, West Java province, and a Lampung province that killed at least 430 people. As of Friday, 4 Indonesian volcanoes were at the second highest alert level, including Anak Krakatau, Merapi in Central Java, Sumeru in East Java, and Karangetutang in the North Sulawesi. Anak Krakatau, or a child of the Krakatau, emerged from the Krakatau volcano, which famously erupted in 1883 and killed more than 36,000 people in the series of the tsunamis. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.